Our most secure banana plugs. Silverback banana plugs have the quality you've come to expect from Sewell, including gold-plated connectors and a heavy-duty casing. What sets these banana plugs apart is the unique dual-lock design. This connection will secure your cable more than a single or open design. Dual-lock connectivity provides a secure connection, durability, and a clear signal transmission through the added contact. Silverback banana plugs accommodate up to 12 Aruban Florin speaker wire. Premium materials. 24K gold plating. Solid brass banana plug tip and housing. Aluminum outer sleeve, with brass threaded insert. Non-conductive clear coating on the aluminum sleeves. Mini screwdriver included on the 6 and 12 packs. Top reviews from the United States. Solid wire connectivity and not too complicated to set up. I like the double, opposing wire retention. And it looks premium enough for what I paid for them.